Hey, I'm Kit Rich. I'm really excited today because I'm going to do something I don't normally do. I'm going to do a meditation with you. A lot of you have done my fitness videos, and you'll notice that I do kind of throw in meditation practices in there, here and there. I definitely practice gratitude, but not all of us can always work out at that moment in time. A lot of us are in the middle of the day. We're busy. Maybe we're already showered, So this is just something that I wanted to share with you. Take it or leave it. Meditation is something that has been really challenging for me over the years. It's the thing that I know that I need to do, and you hear it all the time from everybody that it's probably the most important thing you can do. And yet it's actually the most challenging because it really is hard to just sit still and be with yourself and be quiet and to notice your thoughts. And sometimes the hard part about it is you don't always get immediate gratification, unlike fitness. Fitness is so hard to do, right? But then once you're doing it and you've accomplished it, immediate gratification, which is great. That should always be part of your life discipline. But meditation is really mental fitness. Your brain is a muscle and you have to train it. And the more and more that I have experienced life and the more and more I've been in the health and fitness industry, I really can say that your thoughts determine how your day is going to go. And your thoughts determine how your day is going to go, and you add one day up to the next, and the next thing you know, you realize that your thoughts determine your life, period. And so if you want to be kinder to yourself and more compassionate with yourself and notice the thoughts that drive your day, meditation is it. That's it. It's the thing. So with that being said, we're going to do a really simple meditation today. You're going to see an image come up on the screen, and then I'll come back at the end of it. But I'm proud of you for trying this out. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment below. You can like, subscribe, do that whole thing. And I'll see you on the other side. Enjoy. As with any meditation, find a place where you will not be disturbed. You want to be comfortable, either sitting or lying down, turning your palms up to the sky and closing your eyes. Take a nice breath in through the nose. Feel the expansion, and exhale out the mouth. Again, take a nice breath in. Feel yourself expand with your breath, and then exhale. Continue. Feel your body and its point of contact with the surface you are on. Having awareness of your body. Continue to breathe. Together, we're going to do boxed breathing. Inhaling for 4, holding the breath for 4, exhaling for 4, hold the breath for 4, imagining as though you're drawing your breath around a box. And let's begin. Inhale through the nose, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Continue on your own. watching your breath draw around a box. Not choosing to be rigid about the breath, choosing to either exhale out the mouth or out the nose, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Complete one more cycle of breath. And when you're done, just start to breathe naturally. And now we're going to start what I call the gratitude chain. Knowing that thinking about one thing you're grateful for leads to another thing and another thing and another thing. And so quietly to yourself, say something that you are so grateful for, that you currently have in your life, that you would not change. Allow that part of the chain to hook to another piece of gratitude. And then another. And continue. And closing out your gratitude with gratitude for you and your health and your desire to show up for you and doing this meditation. When you are ready, no rush, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Kit Rich. Please leave a comment below letting me know how you feel, what you'd like to see more of, what kind of fitness videos you'd like to see. As always, be kind to yourself, be compassionate towards yourself, and then use that to be kind and compassionate to others. Have a great day.